Hi, this is Aaron Linsdau, Polar Explorer and Motivational Speaker. Right now we are at the Dahmen barn, just 2 miles north of Uniontown, about 25 miles out of Lewiston, Idaho. The Dahmen barn is a super unique place, and it's one of those definite hidden secrets of America where you're driving along and all of a sudden you see these crazy wheels behind me. I mean, I'll kind of walk out here so you can see them. There you go. And you drive along, you see it looks like somebody went just nuts on one of the old tractor systems, chopped them up and made this fence around this old school barn behind me. But in fact, it's not quite the case. Over the years, this has developed from a minor thing into a major attraction along the highway. Not as much now in the off season, but the Dahmen barn is actually a big to-do because it's full of artists and stuff. Ha! Imagine that, a bunch of artists in the middle of Idaho, but, you know, oh, artists can't be in Idaho. Well, you know, if you're from the East Coast, you think everybody out here eats potatoes, and farther west they wear, let's see, what did they do? Oh yeah, they wear their plaid and they carry their lumberjack axe around, but not quite. This place is actually quite fascinating because there's lots of different artist activity in here. I'll show you in a minute. Hopefully they don't bust me for walking around with the video camera. We'll see. Sometimes they're tolerant, sometimes they're not. Never know, but you get to check out cool stuff like this. You know, I don't know what the heck this farm implement was for. This looks like a wheel on something, but you know, check this out. It's a very artistic view, and you'll see, if you actually Google this sucker, you'll actually see all sorts of stuff. But as we walk along here, you'll actually start to see, sorry my voice is a bit hoarse, I've been blabbing all day, but you actually start to get an artistic sense. I mean, check out that, let me see if I can zoom in here. Yeah, I know I'm going to zoom when I'm filming. That's like the ultimate violation of filming, but if I can stabilize it, check that out here. Let's stabilize this even more. I mean, how cool is that? I mean, that is seriously artistic, and we are in the middle of Idaho, so that is a definite bonus. Let me move around here. Actually, no, that's probably the best view. It's super pretty here, and it just gives you a piece of what this landscape's really like. So I'm going to zoom back out here, and then check this out. I mean, they have some really neat artwork. Now, what's art? Well, I don't know. What can you sell it for? This guy's a little bit creepy, but yeah, check that out. And then there's another dog sort of spring thing. And then there's this guy. He's kind of falling over right now. He's not looking too good. I'm not going to touch him, but he's got something to extract your teeth with, maybe. I don't know. That doesn't look too enjoyable. And then we come over here. We'll go inside a minute. Just take a chill pill. All right. Now you got an old muffler, some car parts, but if you have vision, you can make a loony bird out of this car part. I like that. That's pretty cool. We're gonna go in here and we're gonna have to go a little stealth. I don't know what'll happen, but we'll see. Sometimes people get a little tweaked out, but it's pretty cool in here. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good, yourself?
Good.
You doing okay, Grandpa?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little breezy outside.
Breezy.
Yeah.
And it looks out there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I definitely feel that winter coming on. I'm gonna go poke around upstairs. You can go hang out here.
No.
Or are you gonna give the young lady some cookies?
Yeah.
Do whatever you want to do, Grandpa. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, do you want to go up with me?
No, pay her.
Pay me for what?
Entry.
No entry fee.
Oh, no, there's no entry fee.
Oh, okay.
No, you don't have to pay.
But you know, if you want to hand me $5.
Yeah, I'll take your money.
Yeah, I don't know. All good.
No, just enjoy.
Do you want to go upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, go on ahead. So as you come up in here, you see that there are paintings. There's all sorts of cool stuff. We'll just kind of wander around here. I'll turn the stabilizer. Apparently, the artists have taken off, unfortunately. So you can't really blab with them, but you can check out their works. Yeah, I'm not trying to steal anybody's artwork, just trying to share the experience. Don't worry. There's a huge old barn here. Now, as I recall, sometimes I'll actually have dance events here. I remember one time we came here, they had some music going on and they had a dance. How's it going, Grandpa? So we're hanging out with, so just look in the camera there.
Oh,
Say hi.
hi.
Hi, say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
There we go. So there's actually a lot of stuff. So I'll wing by some of these little different dens of things people make, but they have different events here. Apparently you can rent this place out and have a big old shindig. It's really cool. Yeah, let's look around here. All right. My color balance is off. That's tragic. Let me fix that. All right, so we fixed the color balance. Oof. I'm not trying to steal your artwork. Don't sue me. I'll wing around. But I'm really trying to do Jan Votman. So we'll promote Jan Votman and check out some of Jan's work here. I mean, here's some pretty cool stuff. And let's see. There you go, water pastel. Oh, here we go. Jan Votman's works. Let's see, what do we have here? Troy, Idaho. There you go. Well, so if you ever like this work, I'm not affiliated with this, folks. I have no idea who they are. I can't really vouch for them, but I can certainly show you the artwork and see if it's interesting or not. Whether you like it, that's a good question. Yeah, I'm talking to the camera. You go into more of the Fiber Fest. You see some of the work that people do here. Now, it's funny. I remember driving along and seeing this barn. I saw this barn, I don't know, 20 years ago. Oh, fluorescent lights. Now the light looks even better. Saw this barn maybe 20 years ago, and we're driving along. Said, "Oh, let's check it out because it says open today." And I don't remember who I was with, but they said, "Oh, no, like, oh, just stop, come on." And so we decided to stop and came in like, wow, this is really cool. I mean, it's that, to give you a scale of this stained glass thing here. And then I guess I'm gonna have to do the selfie thing. Check that flower out, that's pretty cool. So Dahmen Barn is definitely worth a stop, especially if you like, see, we've got watercolor works in here. Hopefully nobody gets mad. Somebody will probably put a nasty gram on YouTube. We'll just be positive. How's that? Well, look at the colors off, so you can't really steal it. If you really need to print a color picture off of a video file, oh, hey, check it out. That's definitely artistic. Let's see. So this is Fiber and Textile Surface Design Studio. I'm not a textile design person. However, I have just visited the textile design person's office. And this is Tracy, creative. So if you want commissions, gladly accepted there. So if you're interested in seeing something designed for yourself, apparently they can help you out. Okay, what else do we have here? Let's see, characters in clay. Okay, what do we do here? Oh, cool, check it out. Nativity scene. And then Mary Lou Wayne Originals, check that out, that's cool. I don't know if that's clay, but what do I know? Ooh, yeah. Wicked Witch. Oh, check it out. So, like on Facebook, charactersandclay.com. So apparently these are actually clay characters. I'm not going to touch anything because I don't want to wreck their art. But apparently Mary Lou Wayne makes all this stuff out of clay, and Mary Lou must fire this stuff up and harden it up. I mean, it doesn't even look like clay, which is the interesting part. But then again, I'm not really a clay artist. I'm pretty much a clueless noob in that sort of artistic realm. Let's say we've done fiber fusion, so can we head up here? No, that's in the stairs. So we'll head up here. We'll show you a couple of the paintings around. Hopefully I'm not making you too dizzy wandering around here. But I'm gonna crank up the volume just a tick. All right, there we go. Okay, because my voice is dying, but just give an idea what this stuff is like. So all of a sudden you get this feeling like, hey, Idaho's not just a spuds and duds state, but rather someplace to actually come and appreciate and behold. Let me get my terrible shadow off there. Check that out. Oh, Antarctica with penguins. Cool. A little more artistic work. And definitely something I could see in an office building or a hospital. If you actually want to get some original work. Oh, that's cheap. It's $390. Let's see, I'll swing around here. They've got a pretty trick table. There you go. Oh, hey, check this out. Oh, man, that's cool. That is original. I'll give that definite original points for artwork there. All right, we'll go up one more set of stairs. I know there's the upper mezzanine here, and I'll walk you through and I'll show you some of the other pictures. Oh yeah, there you go. Oof. Sorry, too much glare. I'm not stealing your photograph, Lynn Gio. Don't worry. Don't worry, I'm just showing their work. I know people get all tweaked. I'm not trying to steal it. Ooh, check that out. Ooh, where's that? Ephesus, Turkey. I want to go there. Nice. I like the duck. That's neat. Alrighty. So they got the fence. So they got a whole story on how this Uniontown fence came out. And it just keeps rolling. And this article is from 2000. 1,000 steel iron wheels that form a fence around the non-working dairy barn here have become a drive-by tourist attraction known by travelers around the world. Blah, blah, blah. The fence keeps rolling. And this shows what the Dahmen barn used to look like in the 60s when it was actually active. And the conversion from a milk house to a studio space took place in 2010. The time when they started trying to raise. Oh, yeah, check it out. We got some of the old folks here. Cool. So this is Julia Hennen Louis, Junette Dahmen's mother. Now, why is that important? Because you history buffs and people that like to really learn this stuff, that's the way it is. It's pretty cool. I need to work on my camera focus a bit. I've got the depth of field kind of shallow because it's dark in here, but let's just take a little bit more artwork and then we'll call it good. Oof, again, white balance is horrible. These are all LED lights, hang on. Okay, so they've got LED lights on the third floor. Got to work on that color consistency, but now you can see the color behind me. This is pretty neat stuff. Check that out. It's very inexpensive art. I mean, it's not like Jackson Hole where, hey, I want like $1,500 or $3,000 for this thing. It's like $133. It's cheap. Now, is it cheap art? Maybe I should say inexpensive. That might be the correct word here, but you want a set of cups? It's like $18 a crank. Oh, check this out. Man, they have some nice artwork. If I was a home decorating type, I would definitely consider this action. That is for sure. Ooh. Not gonna touch it. It's a little bit dusty. It means it needs to be handled some more. Need to dust their artwork off, but check that out, yeah. So as you can see, this Dahmen barn thing is really cool. I remember one time I came here, they had a 1940s style music playing down there, and they had the older generation doing the swing. It was just a neat experience. Pretty darn fun. The tough thing to sell are photographs. There you are. Oh, we're gonna get a little air conditioning noise here, but oh, color changed again. Oh, check that out. Now that is a good use of barbed wire. Okay, so the lighting's changed over here. We'll just have to deal with it. Chief Joseph, perhaps? I don't know. We all know who that is. John Wayne. A moose, a kitty. Yeah. Oh, they even made like chairs out of PVC. Blows me away. So anyway, this, let's see, here we go. Rugs are made from new material to last for years on the floor and wall. I don't know. Ooh, pig's kind of ugly, but whatever. Okay, let's see if he can freak you out. What do you think? Trippy! All right, well, let's get away from here so we can close up this video. It's already too long anyway. We'll look down here. So you just imagine if you want some sort of event, they've got it. This place is cool. I always like coming here just to check out the artist stuff. I'm not much of an artist browser, if you would say, but I definitely appreciate other people's artwork, like the beaver house. I think we'll close with that, the beaver house. So if you want an artistic experience and you're driving north of Lewiston between Pullman, Moscow, and North to Coeur d'Alene, Dahmen Barn definitely worth a half-hour pop in. Check it out. You know, who knows what you might go home with. My name is Aaron Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and motivational speaker. Please like and comment on my video and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the world beyond experience, the world beyond your doorstep, and the world beyond your city limits. Thank you very much.